Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial, I will show how to freeze the first column and first row. So here, see, I want to scroll down here. This is grid 6. See here, I can't see the grid number here. Also in this case, if I scroll down here, then I can't see here the date. So this one. So how to freeze this one? You can easily do it. Just select this first row like this, then go to view, then go to freeze span. Now freeze top row. Okay, now if we scroll down here, then it is fixed. Similar way we can do it like this way. Just select it, Ctrl Shift down arrow, then go to view, freeze span, then freeze first column. Now scroll down here. See, it is fixed. In this way now I can easily read it. Suppose this is grid 6. I want to see here this value. I want to read this value, but I know this is grid 6. So we can do it in one way. Like if we want to do it, select it, freeze span, freeze first row, like this way. Thank you for watching this tutorial.